Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be explaining to you how to DDoS, doing a little tutorial on that. I'd like to just start off by saying that DDoS does stand for Denial of Service Attack, and it is illegal. So I'd like to do a disclaimer right now and just say that I'm not responsible for what you choose to do with the information I give you in this video. It's strictly for educational purposes only. Okay, so now that we've got that over with, we can go ahead and start the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do to DDoS is we're going to use the command prompt. So we're going to open up the command prompt just by searching in the bottom bar there. And just so you know, this will work on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Right now I'm using Windows 8, but on any of the other versions of Windows, this should work. Okay, so the command that we're going to be using to DDoS is ping. So we're going to type in ping, followed by the IP address. So in this case, I'm going to use my local router IP address, just so that I'm not actually committing a crime, because I'm simply DDoSing myself. Yeah, and then followed by -t, -l, and the amount of packets we want to send. So I'm just going to type in 6,000 here. You can do as many or as few as you would like. So now we'll go ahead and we click enter to run the command, and I will show you what happens. So you can see we are going to start sending the packets like this, and you'll see that we are getting a reply from my router. This simply means that we had a good connection and that the packets were sent and sent back. So once this is finished, just so you know, if you are trying to actually cause damage to someone when DDoSing, you're going to have to run this for a long time. So go ahead and leave it running in the background, maybe open another command prompt window, get your friends to do it as well if you're actually trying to slow down someone's router or someone's internet service. Simply doing this in one command prompt window isn't really going to do much. So once you're satisfied, once you're finished, you can go ahead and click Control on your keyboard followed by C, and you'll see that it stops it. Okay, so then we have a little summary here just telling us how many packets were sent, the average time, and if we lost any packets. Okay, so that's pretty much it for DDoSing. It's pretty simple. If you want to really understand how it works, I made another video on my channel a few years ago. It's the Mac version of DDoSing, but I do go more in depth with it and explain how it really works. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, go ahead. And also, just one more thing too here. You may get a request timed out error when you try to send packets. This can be for a variety of different reasons. The main reason may be is if you have the IP address wrong, or the IP address doesn't exist. Another one could be that simply you don't have a strong enough connection, or maybe just an internal error. So there's lots of different reasons why that could happen. It may happen for like a few times when you're trying to send packets and not for another. So just so you know, it is okay if you're getting that request timed out. Nothing to freak out about. So yeah, that's my tutorial on how to DDoS on Windows. I hope you learned something from this. And yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.